recreation maintenance, outdoor. We have 160 areas between the 3 regions. We have playgrounds, baseball fields, trash pickup, cutting grass, some landscaping, playground builds. We're involved with Cincinnati Reds, the Marvin Lewis Community Fund. We're the first impression is somebody can come into a center. We serve the public to make sure that they have great facilities to play on. We want them to have a great experience out there, and we maintain 140 playgrounds. Bob Finley and I and Harry are all certified in ASTM playground certifications, so the playgrounds are safe. Here at the Land of Make Believe, the safety surface was not safe anymore. It did not meet the requirements, the standards, and it was starting to rip up and it looked horrible. So we're now ripping it out. We're going to add about 400 yards of mulch to it. We're going to put under drainage in. As you can see, the crews, they're working hard at it. It's all about the community, what's doing best for the community. We make the lives better for the environment that we live in. We just finished a great project up at Evanston. The community loved it. There was over 500 volunteers there. We were there, we did a lot, we helped. We got a great partnership with Procter & Gamble, Cincinnati Reds. The playscape was designed and developed for a teaching environment, a learning environment. Plus they put in about a 100-foot zip line, which is pretty cool.
One of our partners are Indoor Maintenance, which if they need the digging, we have the excavation material, the equipment and everything like that. So we partnered with them on a project over at Ryan Pool. We had a pipe that broke over there and it was under the concrete, and it was a bit of a project, but we were partnered with the plumbers in Indoor Maintenance to make that repair. Our second project, I suppose, in the spring was Hawkins, over in Hawkins Street, Westwood. We partnered over there with a local church, and they had us redo the whole, we basically added a playground there. There was no playground, it was basically a soccer field there. And so we added a playground in a nice gazebo area and picnic shelters and stuff like that over there for the people there to be able to use that. Kind of transformed that area from basically a non-use area to a highly used area now. So it gets a lot of use there, especially for the kids on the playground. I don't think people realize the day-to-day that we do. I mean, our day can change. We can go in at 5:30 in the morning, and by 9:30 our day's changed. But yeah, our day can change on a dime. We're always there. When somebody needs something, we try the best we can with our staffing and everything like that. There's challenges every day that we have through our staffing and through our equipment. We don't ever have to sit around and wait for anything to come to us. We've got it coming from all directions all the time.
All of our Cincinnati recreation facilities are in tip-top shape. We have a standard that we go by, a policy book, a standard and guideline book that we go by, and it's not always easy to accomplish the things because of the weather and just projects and emergencies. But we're out there 7 days a week getting it done.